Let's make the Sea Prince O Death from Kraken Rum. To make this drink, we're going to start by muddling 2 or 3 chunks of pineapple in the bottom of our shaker. I'm going to muddle this. I'll be right back with you. Muddling done, I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients except for the champagne. We'll get to that in a little bit. First thing I'm going to do is put in 2 dashes. 2 dashes? Yes. Angostura bitters. 2 dashes. 2 dashes. Cap is deeper than I thought it was. 1 teaspoon, which is 5 milliliters of lemon juice. 1/4 ounce of 1:1 simple syrup. 1/4 ounce is 7.5 milliliters. Maraschino liqueur. Now, I don't have any maraschino, so I'm going to use cherry, hearing, and I'm going to put in 1/4 ounce of that. 1/4 ounce is 7.5 milliliters. And finally, the Kraken black spiced rum, 1 ounce, which is 30 milliliters. I showed it who is boss. Add some ice. And give it a quick shake. A flash shake, if you will. Now, the recipe online does tell you to top off with champagne. I'm not going to top off my shaker full of champagne. Instead, I'm going to strain this into my glass. And I'm going to double strain. I'm going to double strain because of all the pineapple chunks. Now I'm going to top it off with champagne. And not champagne, I'm going to use cava. Champagne's the official recipe. I'll be right back with you. Oh. Well, it looks like my cava was a little excited. I'm going to top off with my glass anyway. I'm going to go wipe off my hand real quick. And my glass was a little excited too. So I'm going to garnish this as they tell me to garnish it. Just pretend all that didn't happen. Lemon twist. I'm going to express, twist, and put it on top. And there you have it, the Sea Prince O Death. Drink with good spirits.